Welcome back to IELTS Listening Multiple Choice Questions Part 2. In Part 2, we are going to see different type of questions. Let us see what they are. From question 1 to 3, which course has the following advantages? Choose 3 letters A to F from the block and write them next to the questions. Now, in the first block, you will see 3 advantages, 1, 2, and 3. In the second block, you will see courses, 6 courses, A, B, C, D, E, and F. You got to match them. Let us see, how do you match them?
Track 22.
What are you hoping to study at university?
I'd like to do medicine because even though it's very competitive to get in, I feel it's a really worthwhile profession and I think you'd always find yourself employed, whereas I'm not so sure how useful a straight science degree is these days, unless you want to be a chemistry teacher.
Yeah, that's possibly true perhaps, which is why I'm hoping to study law, because I feel with this degree you can go in any direction. You don't have to be a lawyer as such. There are lots of different areas you could work in. But, you know, if you're a dentist, then that's what you are. You're a dentist, and what happens if you find out you don't like the work after all those years of study? What about you, Stan?
I'm aiming to do languages at this stage. There's a lot less pressure to get in, and I think an arts degree gives you a good broad education. I toyed with doing computing, but there are so many people out there studying IT that I thought I'd prefer to study something I'm really interested in.
Fair enough.
Okay, so now if you see, there are 3 people talking. Obviously, it's going to be section 3 because 2 plus, if you remember the concept. Now we have to match the synonyms. Good work prospects, plenty of work opportunities, lower entry requirement, and the courses are given on the bigger side of where there are 6 options, that is on the right side. So let us see the answers now. The answers are, first is E, second is D, and third is A. So now just a small question. Can we interchange them? And my answer is no, you cannot interchange them. The reason for that is first belongs to E, second is D, and third is A. And if you look at the questions here, it says questions 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, and the advantages have been given 1, 2, 3. If you try to interchange them, everything will go wrong. Make it very short. Now we have come to end of part 2. Watch this channel for part 3. In part 3, I'm going to be dealing with a different type of questions. The description of part 3 and the link is given in the description below. Thank you so much.